Let's learn how to make your Instagram profile private. If you don't want everyone to see what are you posting, you may want to make your Instagram profile private. That way only people who you accept to follow you can see what you post, and to do that follow my steps. First, let's open your Instagram application on iOS or Android device. Make sure your account is on personal use. This should be set by default. Now click on your profile picture icon. It's placed in bottom right corner of your screen that leads to your profile page. Here, search for 3 horizontal lines in upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and it will open Settings and Activity page. After you've done that, search for Account Privacy option. Here you can see that my profile is public, so let's make it private. Click on Account Privacy. New page will appear here. You want to click Grayed Out. Private Account option. Once you clicked it, new pop-up screen will appear to ask you, do you want to switch account to private? Click on that blue button, and you are finished. To check if it worked, go back to your profile page. If your account is set on private now, you will see little lock icon in upper right corner. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.